welcome to another A-Level Computer Science video with me, Mr Goff, from MrGoff.com. This video will focus on binary multiplication. To understand the process of binary multiplication, you must already understand binary addition because this is part of the process. If you can't remember binary addition, go back and have a look at it in the GCSE data representation section. The process is very similar to normal denary long multiplication. That is, we start by multiplying out the first number on the right in our bottom number by all the digits on the top. We then put in a 0 and we multiply by our second number on the bottom. Once we've done this, we add up the numbers. This is very similar to the process we're now going to perform with a binary multiplication example. Let's look at an example of multiplying 10, which is 1010 in binary, by 5, which is 101. We start by multiplying the top number by the first digit on the right in the bottom number. This gives us 1010. We now put in a 0 because we're going to move across one column. We would actually put in another number, but as this time our bottom number's digit is a 0, we'd just be putting in zeros. You could skip this line if you were showing this in a sum. Then we're going to put in 2 zeros because we've now moved across 2 digits in the bottom number. It's a 1, so we're going to put in 1010. Now, all we have to do to get our number is add up the columns using the normal rules we have for binary arithmetic. So we start with 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 0 carry the 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 is just 1. So our final number is 110010, which is 50, which is the correct answer for 10 times 5. Let's take a look at one more example to make sure we know what's going on here. This time we're going to look at 1101, which is 13, times by 110, which is 6. We still start with the rightmost digit in the bottom number, and we multiply this by the top number. These are all zeros because it's a 0. We could leave this line out. We then put in a 0 because we're moving across to the second digit in the bottom number. This is a 1, so we put in 1101 next to our 0 we've added in. Now we're going to put in 2 zeros because we're moving across 2 digits in the bottom number. And we're going to put in 1101 again. Adding up the columns, we've got 0 and 0 is 0, 1 and 0 is 1, 0 and 1 is 1, 1 and 0 is 1, 1 and 1 is 0 carry the 1, which gives us 1 and 1 again, which is 0 carry the 1, which just gives us 1. So our final number is 1001110, which you will find is 78 and is the answer to 13 times 6. That brings us to the end of this video on binary multiplication. Join me in the next video when we'll be looking at signed binary using 2's complement. Use the resources at MrGoff.com to help you revise computer science. And until next time, it's bye for now.